recovering from an injury or surgery. Did you know the right foods can actually speed up your healing process? That's right. What you eat plays a huge role in helping your body bounce back stronger. So let's dive into the ultimate nutrition guide for faster recovery, better skin elasticity, and improved muscle tone. Get ready to transform your plate and your health. First up, protein. This is the absolute building block for your body. You'll want to load up on lean sources like chicken, fish, and eggs. Pure plant-based, lentils, chickpeas, and tofu are fantastic options. Prioritizing protein at every meal is key to giving your body the materials it needs to mend itself. Next, let's talk about vitamin C. It's not just for fighting off colds. Vitamin C is a superstar for producing collagen, which is essential for repairing skin, tendons, and ligaments. You can find it in abundance in citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits. But don't forget about bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli. They're packed with it too. A colorful plate is a great sign you're getting enough. Now for a mineral that's a true healing hero, zinc. Zinc is crucial for wound healing and keeping your immune system strong, which is working overtime when you're recovering. To get your daily dose, sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on your salad, add lentils to your soups, or include lean meats in your diet. These small additions can make a huge difference in how quickly your body repairs itself. Let's not forget vitamin A, your skin's best friend. This vitamin helps with cell growth and keeps your skin healthy and resilient. To get more vitamin A, look for orange-colored foods like carrots and sweet potatoes. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also excellent sources. Healthy skin is your body's first line of defense, so let's keep it strong. Inflammation can slow down healing, but omega-3 fatty acids are here to help. These healthy fats are famous for their anti-inflammatory properties. Fatty fish like salmon is a top-tier source. For plant-based options, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts are incredible. Adding these to your diet can help manage swelling and discomfort naturally. And speaking of skin, let's talk about collagen directly. As we age, our natural collagen production slows down. Supporting it can do wonders for skin elasticity and joint health. Sipping on bone broth is a traditional and effective way to get more collagen. You can also find high-quality collagen supplements that mix easily into drinks or smoothies. Finally, and this one is simple but so important, hydration. Water is vital for every single function in your body, including nutrient transport to your healing tissues. Staying hydrated keeps your skin plump and your tissues healthy. Aim for plenty of water throughout the day. Herbal teas are also a great way to stay hydrated and can offer some soothing benefits. So, to recap with some quick tips, make every meal colorful to get a variety of vitamins. Always prioritize a good source of protein to help rebuild tissue. And don't forget to drink water consistently throughout your day. Eating well is one of the most powerful things you can do to support your body's recovery. Eat well, recover faster, and feel stronger every single day. For more tips on living your healthiest life, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.